I've been gone for a minute, been low key with my business, asking Rita, who is it? Is it true? I've been taking off every weekend, you and I in our feelings, cause the high's so much better with you. Oh my God, been a hell of a ride, but you feel like a religion. And who knew love would leave me feeling this good? I have to praise you like I should.
Let's learn the last hurrah. It's choreographed by Hadisubroto, Fiona Murray, Simon Ward, and Maddison Glover. It is a 64 count, one wall intermediate cha-cha with one tag restart on wall 4 after 32 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the one wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and restart and practice it, and then we're going to go around alternating between steps and counts so that you know how the dance flows and you know where that restart tag happens so that you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the last hurrah. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to rock our left foot to the left side. As we rock our left foot to the left side, you're going to push your hip to the left and both hands are going to come out to the sides, palms down. You want to really push that hip over your left leg. We're now going to recover onto our right, and as we cover onto our right, both hands are going to come up to the sides of our heads, pointing towards the front, so palms forward. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down on the left, and flicking our right foot back at the same time. As you flick, both hands are going to come out to the sides. We're now going to do a right locking shuffle forward. You can put your hands down. You're going to step that right foot forward to 9 o'clock. Lock your left foot into your right. Step your right foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our left. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're at 3 o'clock. And you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You'll end that section at 6. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on that right foot. We're rocking to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. We're going to cross our right foot behind our left. Step your left foot to the side. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, doing a right locking shuffle forward into that 430 diagonal. So we're going to make that 1/8 of a turn, stepping forward with our right. Lock your left foot in behind your right. Right foot forward, still facing 430. We're now going to press our left foot into the 430 diagonal, so the ball of your left foot comes forward. Recover back onto your right foot, and then we're going to quickly step our left next to our right. Step your right foot forward into the 430 diagonal. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, keeping our weight on our right foot. You're going to turn a half turn, sitting down onto that right foot. So let's try that part with some counts. We stepped our left foot to the side. We're going behind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Sitting down for 8, facing 1030. Section 3, we're going to rock forward onto our left foot. And as we rock forward onto our left foot, we're going to bring both hands up into the air. And then we're going to sit down onto our right foot. And as we sit down onto our right foot, you're going to bring both hands across your right hip. And if you would like to snap, you can. Now we're going to do a left locking shuffle forward into the 1030 diagonal. So we're going to step our left foot forward, bring our right foot in and behind our right, left foot forward. We're now going to do an eighth of a turning jazz box. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. You're now at 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the side and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We sat down on our right foot for 8. We're coming forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to point our right toe to the right side and hold. We're now going to quickly step our right foot next to our left and point your left toe to the side. We're now going to quickly step our left foot next to our right and point our right toe to the side. You're now going to cross your right over your left and you're going to bend your knees, so you're going to squat down a little bit. Use this as leverage for our 7/8 unwind. So over our left shoulder, we're going to unwind, coming all the way around 7/8 to the 130 diagonal, putting your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our jazz box. Weights on that left foot, you're pointing to the side. 1, hold, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're facing the 130 diagonal. Section 5, we're going to do 2 walks forward, right and left. You're now going to do a right locking shuffle into the 130 diagonal. Step your right foot forward, bring your left foot into your right, right foot forward. You're going to step forward with your left foot, and over our right shoulder, we're going to do a half turn, putting our weight onto our right foot. We're now going to continue that turn. We're going to make another half shuffle back. So over our right shoulder, you're going to make that quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the side, cross your right over your left. You're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot back. You're returning to the 130 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. We just unwound. Weights on your left foot. You're facing 130. We're going to do our 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6. We're going to step our right foot back, still facing 130. We're now going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the side. We're going to do a crossing shuffle right over our left, cross your right over your left, left foot side, right over left. We're going to step our left foot to the side and hold. We're now going to quickly step our right foot to the left, step your left foot to the side, and you're going to touch your right toe behind your left. And if you would like to snap and look over your left shoulder, you can. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're facing 130. We're stepping back with the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. Section 7. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to make another half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot, returning to 9 o'clock. We're now going to do one more half turn over our right shoulder, but this is going to be a shuffle. So over that right shoulder, you're going to make a half turn, stepping forward with your right foot. You're at 3 o'clock. Bring your left foot into your right, right foot forward. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and as you recover, you're going to sweep your left foot from front to back. And now we're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. So let's try that part with some counts. We just touched behind. You're doing your quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 8 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a 3/4 walk around over our right shoulder. So you're going to do 3 quarter turns and a step forward. As you do that, you can kind of bring your hands slowly up towards the sky, palms up. So right now we're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to make that quarter turn stepping forward with your right foot. Make a quarter turn stepping forward with your left. Quarter turn stepping forward with your right foot. Step forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're going to now rock forward with our right, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a coaster cross, right back, right cross, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sweep behind side cross. So over that right shoulder, you're walking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Now, if you want to do those hands, you'd be going over and slowly rise them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts before we talk about the tag. Weights on your right foot. You're starting with your rock to the left. We're rocking left, recover, right, quarter, flick, right, locking shuffle, step, half pivot, quarter side, behind, side, eighth, right, locking shuffle, left press, recover, ball, step, half sit, rock forward, back, locking shuffle, jazz box, eighth turn with a cross, point, hold, ball, point, and point, cross, 7/8, unwind to 130, walk, walk, locking shuffle, step, half, half, locking shuffle back, back, eighth, crossing shuffle, side, hold, ball, side, touch behind, quarter, half, half, shuffle forward, rock, sweep, weave behind, side, cross, 3/4, walk, 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 rock, recover, coaster cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that right foot, you're rocking your left foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, the tag is going to happen, restart at the front wall. We're facing here. It's going to come when you do that full unwind. You'll be facing 130. What we're going to do is we're going to make an eighth of a turn, stepping that right foot to the side. And as you step to the side, you're going to bounce your heel up and down twice. As you do that, you're going to shimmy your shoulders. So we're here, you're going to step, step, bounce, shimmy, shimmy. You're now going to take your left foot, flick it up behind your right, and then start the dance all over again, side. So let's try it with some counts. It's 4 counts, so we're stepping to the side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready to start the dance all over again. And that's the whole tag. That's all you have to worry about. Happens one time on wall 4. So the 4th time we start the dance, the music's going to change slightly, and that's kind of your cue that we'll be dancing 32 counts, adding that tag, and then starting the dance all over again. Let's go all the way around. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance. So we're going to dance all the way up through that tag restart, and then the one that follows. We're going to alternate between steps and counts. Weight's going to start on that right foot. You're going to rock your left foot to the side with your hand. So it's rock, left, recover, right, quarter, flick, right, locking shuffle, step, half, quarter, behind, side, eighth, locking shuffle forward, rock, recover, ball, step, half, sit, rock up, back, locking shuffle, jazz box, 8th turn with a cross, point, hold, and point, cross, squat, unwind, 7/8 turn to 130, walk, walk, locking shuffle, step, half, half, locking shuffle back, back, 8th, crossing shuffle, side, hold, ball, side, touch behind, quarter, half, half shuffle, rock, sweep, sweep, behind, side, cross, 3/4 walk, around to 12, or rocking coaster cross now, rock to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's rock, recover, quarter flick, locking shuffle, step, half, quarter, behind, side, 8th, locking shuffle, press, recover, ball, step, half, sit, rock forward, back, locking shuffle, jazz box, 8th turn with a cross, now point, hold, and point, cross, 7/8 unwind, weights left, walk right, left, locking shuffle, step, half, half, locking shuffle back, back, 8th, crossing shuffle, side hold, ball side, touch behind, quarter, half, back, half, shuffle, forward, rock, sweep, weave, behind, side, cross, 3/4 walk, 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 rock, recover, and your coaster cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, get ready to do your tag, 1, hold 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, recover, flick, locking shuffle, step, half, quarter, behind, side, 8th, locking shuffle, rock, recover, ball, step, half, sit, up, back, locking shuffle, jazz box, 8th turn with a cross, point, hold, and point, cross, 7/8 unwind to 130, walk, walk, locking shuffle, step, half, half, locking shuffle back, back, 8th, crossing shuffle, side, hold, ball, side, touch behind, quarter, half, half, shuffle, forward, rock, sweep, weave, behind, side, cross, 3/4 walk, 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 rock, recover, and your coaster across, and that is the whole dance. On the last wall, you'll be facing the front wall. You're going to do your walk, coaster, cross, and you can end however you would like. In the video, they really pose. I did both hands out to the side. You just kind of want to do a big ending facing 12 o'clock, and that is the whole dance. So I hope this helped you learn the last hurrah. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.